I like to do foot spa using pumice stone until I discovered this callus remover on TikTok in March 2024. The price is expensive to have a foot spa during this time. This is my secret why I not go to a salon for a foot spa. It is very effective, especially when used with warm water to soften the skin. JC Callus Remover with eucalyptus oil plus wooden foot file. It is best used within 6 months after opening. It moisturizes, no skin itchiness, no feeling, helps remove calluses, helps prevent dryness, helps remove crack, heel, treats athlete's foot. Shake well before you use it. Spray 2 to 5 times on the affected area. Spray with a small amount of water on the foot file, then gently file skin. Repeat the process until calluses and dry skin are gone. Use twice a week, depending on calluses and its thickness. I use it every week so that my calluses don't thicken immediately. It removes small calluses and makes my sole pinkish. So, try it now!